My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got
Takže vítam vás, Turbo Duchel, epizóda 5. Ideme robiť svetlá na Turbo Duchel.
Hlavne na Discordu bodové svetlá. Máme svetlá, len musíme to modifikovať tak, aby to bolo relatívne bodové.
Kapíš? Jo. Ide to tam?
Zlepíme lepšie svetlá. No my to ani nechceme celé.
Mišo, čo sa stalo?
Foržák lepil žiarovku.
Ešte raz, čo sa stalo?
Foržák lepil žiarovku.
Mišo?
Zrazu nejde.
To nie je moja chyba.
Ja sa nehádam. Ja som len povedal, čo sa stalo. No takže, prvé nešťastie nás postretlo, keď sa nám pokazila alebo vypálila sa nám žiarovka 100W v halogénovom svetle. No a druhé, to je taká menšia vec, sme zistili, že vlastne túto fóliu, ktorú sme si mysleli, že svetlo neprejde, tak nakoniec prešlo, takže tam dáme ešte jednu prstu halobalo, ktorá by to mala všetko to svetlo vlastne odraziť.
To je stará diskogula. Nová disko. Môžeme. Zamier na diskogulu.
Top pixel.
Dobre to je.
To je geniálne, pozri sa na to, ako si
Mišo, to je šajba. Paráda.
Je zhruba z takejto diaľky.
Asi hej, no. Turbo Duchel box.
Foržák vysávač by ste bol.
Yo, what's up? This is Foržák and this is Turbo Duchel episode 5 behind the scenes. Today we were supposed to go to the Martin's place, but it didn't work out so well, so we are here, my place, trying out speakers and equalizer for Turbo Duchel Eve. It's coming up in 4 days from now, because today is 27th of December 2008. We've tried many things tonight. This is my buddy Disco Ball, and we made a light for Disco Ball, a point light, point light. And this is my microphone. This is how it looks like. My microphone. And we are about to begin. No, we are about to finish. Because Martin didn't let us go to his basement, so we end up here. Peace out.